What is it, Gethin?
Just one!
So we've arrived in Burnham-on-Sea. We've had a little trip down to the beach, got a bit mucky and a bit wet, but now we're all getting ready to go out for some dinner, kids disco. It's going to be great. So we've just come down to Breen Leisure Park and we're going to go and check out the soft play and the indoor splash park. Who's excited?
Yay!
We've just been into Breen Splash Park. Absolutely fantastic. Gethin loved the slides and the water cannons. Just a shame we couldn't bring the others in because they were just too little. But now we're going to go meet them in a massive soft play. What was your favourite bit? What, the water cannons? So this afternoon we decided to venture out to the beach and come to Barrow Beach. The boys are having an adventure and Larry doesn't really agree with us that it's beach weather.
You know, sleepy lady.
Day 2 at the beach because it's absolutely beautiful weather. Kids running around? Off to dig a hole. We're back from the beach and it's dinner time. So how do you finish off a day at the beach? A barbecue! Yum, 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 yum. And a G&T, of course.
That one, yes, oh, okay, you got a pink one. Pink ball, yes, well done, mate. Let's do that, next one. Okay, you got pink.
Today we have come on our big day out and we are at Animal Farm Adventure Park and there's Losu and Paw Patrol are here today. The kids are ridiculously excited.
It's a wave.
Way! We're back from holiday, we had the most incredible time. It was so nice to get away and we were so lucky to have a couple of days at the beach as well. Brilliant time at Breen Leisure Park and also at Adventure Farm Park as well. If you haven't already, head on over to www.5minutemummy.com and subscribe. Don't forget you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. Thanks so much, see you again, bye!